And farmers are being urged to utilize community seed banks established in various counties to preserve indigenous seeds which are at risk of extinction. Seed Savers Network, a non-governmental organization, is supporting farmers in preserving seeds while encouraging them to practice organic farming and kitchen gardening to be food secure.
Critics of the proliferation of genetically modified organisms have cited the risks of losing Kenya's indigenous seeds. Studies have shown that 90% of the seeds planted in Kenya are from informal seed systems. In an effort to educate farmers on their importance, Seed Savers Network conducts model fossil analysis to identify the crop species that are at risk of getting extinct and obtain their seed to be stocked. The preserved seeds are then raised through organic farming methods so that they can stay for long and maintain the characteristics of the parent crop.
We have established endangered species or species that have been extinct. We have up to a range of 200 different crop species stored in our community seed bank, and the rest are also stored. The vegetatively propagated crops are stored in the field gene bank.
Through the seed banks, farmers are also trained on traditional methods of farming that are pesticide-free and less costly, aimed at improving their nutritional status.
We are training them to prepare biopesticides, to mix the available chilies, to do spraying on their crops in case of diseases.
They are now calling on farmers to have their seeds coded in the community seed banks to eliminate biopiracy and theft of their indigenous seeds.
Kila ward ikuwe na hiyo bank, seed bank, ili watu wetu wapate kupata mavuno ambayo itawasaidia bila kuwaletea magonjwa.
Wakati tutaanza ukulima huu ambao tunatarajia mvua wakati wowote, tutaweza kumanage mbegu zetu na seed bank yetu throughout the year bila kukosa seeds in the bank.
Ndutamo Kami for Prime Edition.